All right, guys, this video starts the notes for chapter 5. So this will be section 1, and it just talks a lot about triangles and some general theorems about triangles. Moving forward in geometry, more than half of what we will do for the remainder of the year has to do solely with triangles. So it's kind of a big deal. So we're gonna separate this chapter into 2 different sections. The first is, you know, triangles and some theorems and things like that. And then the second will go back to proofs. But we're not going to worry about the second part now. We're going to worry just about the triangle part. Okay, so on this foldable here, this is the top part. You see 4 different like bubble type things. All I want you to do is cut off right here, and we're going to throw these away. Okay, we're not going to use these right now. We're going to cover these later on in a different foldable, so we're not going to double do things. All right, so these 2 we are going to use. Okay, so this top one is just the definition of a triangle. It just says that we can have any 3 points that are non-collinear, and if we join them, that's a triangle. Okay, so that shouldn't be too difficult to understand. Now, I pasted these in my interactive student notebook like this, where this was towards the top and this one was below it, but you can paste it however way you want. All right, so the parts of a triangle now. The vertices, guys, is this, this, and this, okay? It's the points of a triangle. So the vertices, I'm going to put our point A, point B, and point C, okay? Those are the vertices of a triangle. Now, when I talk about adjacent sides, and after I paste this in my interactive student notebook, I actually wrote on the paper over here, I put adjacent sides of a triangle share a vertex. Okay, so let's just say they share vertex A. Well, that would mean the adjacent sides would be AB and AC. Okay, remember adjacent just in the English language means next to. Okay, so side opposite of angle A. All right, so now we're going to go find angle A is right here. We want the side opposite of this angle. So when we say opposite, we mean it does not touch this angle. So we're going to go through the triangle to get to the opposite side. So the opposite side would be BC. As we will learn going forward, and you don't have to know this right now, but this will also be called side little a. Okay, so opposite of angle A will be side little a. Opposite of angle B will be side little b. Things like that. You don't need to know that right now, but if you want to write it down, you can do that.